TS diving here at the pontoon boat at Governor's Creek on January 5th. Getting her nice and pretty. A lot of this algae does not want to come off. I got a scraper. I got a brush. She didn't want to come off. Yeah, they're pretty good. But besides that, got a little bit of hard growth that was on there. Let's go take a look. So got a little bit of stringy stuff down there that I'm gonna go ahead and take a brush to, see what I can do. But take a look at this prop, and again, this stuff just don't want to go off. A little bit left to do over here. Again, the algae is just really stuck up there. Quick look at the other side. Got Zach over here.
Should look pretty good.
Again, does not want to come off. TS diving, thank you very much.